Now you guys, we are eating some grilled cheese sandwiches! So exciting. Really good.
I'm proud of my sister.
Why?
Because she went and babysat and made $70 and she's trying to save up for a nose piercing.
That's pretty cool. What are we doing now?
We're gonna go get an ultrasound.
Another one, because we can't find the gender, so, but we're not telling you guys the gender yet.
We'll figure something out.
Yeah, we might do something pretty cool with telling you guys the gender. Might be something cool, might be something lame, I don't know. Haven't decided yet.
Balloons.
I don't know. Haven't decided yet, but
Bye.
that's what we're doing.
Head down.
Nice.
This is the head here. Body here, so you can see the heart beating away.
Oh, cool.
You can see the spine along the back, and then the bones of the rib cage. That's the left arm there. So left.
Sweet enough in the gender, you guys. We think it's a boy, you guys, but we are not too sure because they won't tell us, which is kind of weird. But that's what's going on. Just got to Dad's place, so that's what we're doing. So we had burgers for supper, and we are heading to the beach. So let's get to the beach. It was good and healthy. And Rachel is making...
The water?
Yeah, the water.
What do you mean, the water?
We went to the beach.
Oh, the water was good and healthy?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know. My English is not working. And she's making some what?
Cheese and crackers. But what you do is this is the best thing ever.
Healthy nachos.
Yes. Gareth is gonna go get the other box of crackers.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, we need more.
We need more?
Yes. Go grab the other box of crackers, please.
You said the other box.
The other one after that too.
You guys, we are watching some Veggie Tales. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Again, today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow for a brand new video. Goodbye.